From the British manufacturing side, Optima Products manufacturing facility and the fabrication capabilities that the company has to fabricate these products is state-of-the-art and cutting edge. It delivers a competitive advantage for us as we deliver products into the marketplace.
All aluminum frames and doors are fabricated by Eureka here in Philadelphia. All glass is sourced from American fabricators, most of whom are also here in the Philadelphia region. All on-site installation is conducted by highly trained craftsmen who call Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware home.
The aluminum extrusions that we're using for our systems provide the lowest carbon contribution of any aluminum you can find in the world today.
The extremely aggressive initiative from our PurOptima partner has allowed us to share the lowest embodied carbon in the marketplace and pass that carbon savings along to our customers and clients. Our PurOptima showroom is currently under construction here in Philadelphia. If you're looking for interior glass wall solutions in the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, or Delaware region, please contact us today so we can help.